Hi everyone, welcome back to Love It Alice TV once again. Notice, welcome back to Love It Alice TV. If today is your first time or you have been watching, you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will just be the first person to notify. As you do that, God bless you. Guys, I'm just going to use this my dress to make a video, like I love it and I just want to make a video. So in today I have a topic. I have something that bothering my heart and I really need to say. Number one, the topic is that what is really bothering my heart to say is about how people look down on someone, but it's not really good. Is it really good just to be looking down on someone, like, or because no matter in any place you are, no matter the comfortable life you are living, remember, you are not the owner of your life. Jesus is the owner of your life. Do you understand? Is the owner of your life, is the owner of your soul. No matter the life you are living, no matter the mansion you are living, never you look down on someone. Never you look down on someone. Because I begin to wonder that what really made people look down on someone? What made people also feel proud of themselves? Why? Why people proud of themselves? Why people look down on people? Is it because you're on top of mountain? Or you are living a comfortable life? Or is it because all those one, or they don't have something? I didn't get it. I begin to wonder, I begin to ask myself that it's not good. It's not good. So I just want to make this video also to use it to also advise our people out there. Our people out there. It's not good. Please, whenever you watch this video, share it. Share it. Yes, share it. It's not good. Because you are living in a mountain, or because you have good cars, good houses. Because of that, you will look down on someone. Because you have good cars, good houses, you will look down on someone. Or because of the comfortable life you are living, you will look down on someone. It's not good. It's not good for you, for someone to be looking down on anyone. My advice for you today is that never you look down on anyone. You may be the person that you say is nothing. It will be something tomorrow. You will see the person you look down on. You will see the person will be of help to you tomorrow. This life is like, as in, it turned around. In this life we are, it turned around. Yes, this life we are, it turns around. Never you look down on anyone. No matter where you are living, no matter the life you are living. Okay? Because you know how God used to do something. There's a way God used to do something. And if you want to do that thing, He will do it in a way you will never expect. That person you look down, it will be that person. Without that person, you cannot move in so place. You will see that person will be of help for you tomorrow. That's how life is. This life, it turns around. Do you understand? No matter the life you are living, don't look down on anyone. Never you look down on anyone. Say somebody who hasn't, like, for real, you just see someone that don't have money, or like that, like they will just be in some of the gathering. Now there is a place that people who has money, they will see people that don't have, or people that barely feed. You will see them, you say, what this poor man or this poverty somebody doing here? Do you have any word to offer? Never you look down on someone, because this life, it turns around. It turns around. You call that person poverty, call that person that has nothing, but tomorrow you will have something. Yeah, tomorrow you will have something. Never you look down on anyone. If you see somebody that is hungry, feed that person. Make that person, share with that person what you have. Whatever any help you have to the poor ones, the people that don't have, share with them. Give to them what you are able to give. You understand? Give to them whatever you know that you can give to people that is really suffering. You understand? That is really suffering. Because in this world that we are now, there are people also that still don't have something to eat. They are barely fed. You understand? And there are some people also, when they say rich, when somebody is very rich, when they say rich, is like grade by grade. You understand? But there are some people, immediately they will reach, they will love their senses. Immediately they will lose their senses. Some of them, they don't have, but they will be respectful. They will just be honest with you. You understand? They will be humble. But when they have, sometimes I will just say, God, this richness we are talking about is not, it didn't fit some people. Yeah. When we say richness, like when somebody is very old, it didn't fit some people. Because there are some people, they will lose their manners. They will lose their manners. They will forget that the poor people they are just looking up to, what they are just talking to, they'll forget that those ones, they have passed through that a way before. They have been in that position before. But when they not have, they will see other people that don't have nothing. Never you look down on anyone. Never you look down on anyone. I'm still saying this. I have reason why I'm saying this. Never you look down on anyone. Yes. If I think about something, I feel so weak, as in confused. I don't really know what to say. Never you look down on anyone. Do you understand? Never you look down on anyone. My own story, I can use it to testify. It's not good. Never you look down on anyone. In this life that we are, we are equal. Either you are rich, or you are poor, or you don't have, or you have. We are equal. God has made us to be equal. God has made us to be one. What you, as in, like, feeling proud of yourself, it will help you. When you die tomorrow, all those richness, everything you have from here to wherever, they are not going to bury you and put you in all the houses you have or inside your cars, it's just only one room. Tell me why people killing themselves in this life. Tell me why people don't want to humble. Tell me why people will still have the confidence to still look down on people. Tell me why people is still looking down on people in this life that we are. In this life that there is nothing. There's nothing in this life. This life is just like, we just come into this life to come and trade and go. One day, everybody will go. Yes, one day. This life is just like when someone is trading something in market. You know how it is. That is how life is. Don't look down on anyone. Don't look down on anyone. The person you look down on, the person you think that this person, it will not be of help. Who is this one? What this one is going to do for someone? It will have something to do for you tomorrow. Yes, see, we have something to do for you tomorrow. This life, everything turns around. Never you look down on someone because you're on top of mountain. Never you look down on someone because you have money. Never you look down on someone because you live in full houses or full apartment. You say those ones don't have, they are nothing. Never you look down on someone. Okay? Love your neighbor as yourself. Love your neighbor as yourself. Treat everybody equally. You understand? Treat everybody equally. Because the person you say that this one, who is this one, is even talking, to be the one you will bow down to tomorrow. That is how life is. There is nothing in this life. There is nothing to fight over. There is nothing for you to look down on someone, like for real, to look down on someone because of you having money, to look down on someone because you have food to eat, to look down on someone because you have your own apartment, to look down on someone because you have your own houses and cars. For what? Don't look down on someone. Be the friends to those that don't have. Do you understand? In any help you have to help, when someone cries to you or someone asks you for something, give what you know that you can give. Your reward shall be in heaven. You will reward it. God will reward you. You understand? God will surely reward you. So it's not good. Evil is not paid. You understand? So this is what I can say. And it's bothering my heart. Have this in my heart. Some people, they are treating me like nobody. They treat me all like nobody. But today, they look me as in, today, now they know that I'm existing. Life is just, this life is just like a movie that has no end. Never you look down on anyone in this life. Never you look down on anyone. You understand? As in this life, in this world, as in things I've seen, it taught me a lot of lessons. You understand? Make me to understand what I did not understand. If something happened to you, something happened for you to have more wisdom. More wisdom. If something happened to you in life, don't think too much. Don't cry over it too much. It happened for a purpose. It happened for you to have more wisdom. You understand? So that is it, guys. God bless you so much. I love you guys, my subscribers. God bless you. For those that have not subscribed yet, subscribe to see more. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day. Just leave you guys for now. Bye.